Hey guys, what's up? The Bus Channel here, and today I'm going to unbox a first aid kit, I think, and I'll show you my new front headlight indicator thingy for R4 and two first aid signs, funny enough. So yeah, first of all, get into the first aid kit. Indeed, it is a first aid kit. Cock. So yeah, here we have the new first aid kit for R4. One, at least. I think I had two. And it has stuff in it. Probably for first aid stuff. How the fuck am I going to open this? I don't know. Yeah, probably ain't had a first aid kit in a while, Mr. R4. If you are wondering, I am going to get another one for R4 as well, because I had two at one stage, I think, and then I'm going to get two for R5 when I get round to it. So yeah, here's front, side, back, other side, the roof of the box, and the bottom. So yeah, after that, now we also got some screws and stuff, and that, whatever it's called, for this headlight, because mine's got a little scratch on it. Now, I don't know if it was me or not, so yeah, here's front, side, back, other side, the roof, and the bottom, and this was a bummer to find, tell me about it. And last but not least, I do have 4 of these in total, but they're exactly the same, so this one will be going on R4, and, well, that's the front, oh shit, and that's the back, and this one will be going on R5, as you can see. Here's front, and here's the back. Even though it don't come that you have one on there, I think it used to. And I do need to get some more emergency exit signs as well for R4, and probably R5 as well. And some seatbelt signs, and the tail light lens, and 2 indicator lenses, and the full set of lenses for R4, no, R5, minus the 2 marker lights, obviously, because Baker's have left them on there. I forgot about them or something. And yeah, R5 needs some wing mirrors as well, and some parts for its engine to get it going again. So yeah, now let's get the thumbnail. What the fuck is this? So thank you guys for watching, and peace out.